Welcome to part 5 of our D2L video series. My name is Adam Griever in the Office of E-Learning at ETSU, and in this video we're going to be looking at using the D2L pager. You may want to go ahead and click the gear icon in the bottom right corner of your YouTube player and select HD 720, and also blow the video up to full screen so that you can see it well. In a previous video we talked about the settings for the pager being found under the Preferences button right here on the Pager tab. And on that page you could set whether you had just a visual notification or also an audible notification for the pager. The default setting in D2L is to have both. The D2L pager tool can be found up here in the top right corner, and if you click on Bucky's head or just click on the text box here, it will open up the pager in a new window. When you first open the pager tool, you'll see that it is broken down into 3 tabs along the top. These are basically the 3 different areas of the pager. The inbox is going to be an area where you can see all the different pages that you've ever had with anyone in D2L. I can click on one of these and go ahead and go back and look at that message in its entirety. You'll notice here at the top that I have page buttons so that I can scroll back through older and older posts. The Friends button, which is the default page that you'll appear on when you click on the pager button in the top right corner, is going to be a list of anyone that you've paged with in D2L. If you send a page to someone, they will be added to your friends list automatically. Finally, the class list is going to be a list of all the people that are on the class list for a particular course. So this is an easy way to page someone from your class, and also an easy way to add them to your friends list if there's someone that you're going to page with often. Let's go ahead and talk about each one of these areas in more detail. On the friends list, I can look at and see if some of the people that I've paged with in D2L are online or offline. If they're online, I know I can go ahead and send them a page and they'll respond back to me promptly. If they're offline, it will go ahead and send them a page, but I may have a delayed response in hearing back from them just based on the next time that they log into D2L and page me back. If I want to send a page to someone who is already on my friends list, I can locate them on the list, and if I see that someone is online, I can instantly send them a page. So here I can see that Anthony is online. I'm going to click on his name, type a message down here at the bottom, and hit send. Now Anthony will receive that page. It'll show up here in the top right corner of his screen with a red exclamation point showing that he has a page. If he notices it immediately, he can go ahead and click that and respond back to me. So I'm going to close my pager menu and we'll go ahead and watch and see if Anthony responds back to me. Here I can see that I have an incoming page by the red exclamation point here in the talk bubble. If I click on this, it's going to open up my pager so that I can read the message. Here in my inbox, it tells me that I have 1 unread messages. So I can click on the message from Anthony and read what he says. If I wanted to, I could reply back and also click View All to see all the other messages that we've had together. I'm now going to go ahead and return back to my friends list. If I wanted to send a page to multiple people on my friends list, I can use the checkboxes on the left side of the screen to highlight multiple people, and then I can click this green button here to open a message to multiple recipients. When I click send, it's going to send that message to all 3, and again, the next time they're logged into D2L, they can page me back. The friends banner right here at the top will return you back to your friends list. The other button at the top of this list with the minus sign over it is used to delete users from your friends list. If there is a student that maybe you've sent a page to and you want to go ahead and remove them from your friends list, you can click the box next to their name and then click the minus key, click yes on the confirmation, and they will now be removed from your friends list. The green plus at the top is used to add a friend if you know what their username is. So if you do know the username, you can type it in here and click add, and they're now going to be added back to your friends list. If we return back to the inbox, I can show you some of the functionality of this tool. The buttons at the top are used to set messages as read or unread. So currently all of the messages that I have in my pager are set to read. So if I wanted to, I could mark a message here at the top and click this button to mark those as unread in D2L so that I can come back to them later and respond. You can also highlight multiple messages and click this button to go ahead and mark those messages as read so that you'll know that they are taken care of. Also from the inbox, you can click on any person to go back and see a history of the pages that you've had with that person. Again, along the top there is a banner to return to the inbox. The final area that we'll talk about in a little more detail is the class list. The class list is an easy way to find other people in your course and send them a page. So at the top, I can use the filter by to find the course that I'm looking for, and then click apply, and it's going to show me the users that are enrolled in this course. I can click on their name here to send them a page, and also use the buttons at the top, which are similar to what you see under the friends list, to check someone's name. Click this button to add them to your friends list, or select multiple users and click this button to send multiple users a page in D2L. Again, the return button is up at the top. This has been a brief overview of using the D2L Pager tool. It's a great way to keep in touch with your students and also other faculty and staff members on campus. In our next video, we're going to talk about using the D2L Content tool. Thanks for watching.